Hello, welcome to the Brocade SANnav quick demonstration videos. In this video, we'll go through the inventory and the flows. To illustrate what the flows are, let's take this example. We have on the left two hosts, which are physical servers connected to the switch of fabric A. On the right side, we have two storage systems connected to the same fabric and providing LUNs to the servers. Some of the ports are sharing traffic. For example, the port 5 here that is used by this server is used to access this storage system and this storage system. The same way, the port 40 here that is connected to that storage system is used to access this host and this host. So there is no way by monitoring the port 5, for example, to know if there are some errors, if they are related to that storage system or the other one, and even less if it's related to that LUN, this one or this one. By monitoring the flows on the port 5, for example, we will see the different traffics and see the details. So we will know the traffic is coming from this initiator, from this host, but going to two different targets and to even different LUNs in the same target. This will allow us to know if there are errors related to a given storage or even to a given LUN for a host. Now let's see how to monitor the flows in SANnav Management portal. You can view the flows in SANnav in the inventory page. In this page you have the inventory for all your elements in the SAN, but you also have the flows. Just click on flows. Now, because you can have many flows for a given infrastructure, you need to create a filter in order to have an easy-to-read list. For example, if I list the flows for only one fabric with a filter that I created earlier, I see that I have 300 flows. So it's important to create a filter with at least one target or one initiator. To create a filter for one initiator or one target, just add filter and click on create new. You see you can have an initiator or a target, but it's defined by a worldwide name or an FC address for the port, meaning you need to know the FC address of the initiator or the target. So let's go back in the topology so we can get the FC address of the initiator. From the topology view, we display the host we want to monitor the traffic from. Let's say we want to monitor the traffic and the flows that are going on port 5. Just hover port 5 and click Show Properties, and there you have the worldwide name and the FC address. We can just copy the FC address, go back in inventory, in the flows, create a new filter, FC address for the initiator, and use the FC address that we just copied. We can now click on OK and have the list of the flows going on that port from this initiator. Now, by monitoring the flows on this port, you can see the details of the traffic for each flow. So you know that if there are errors on the port, it can be related to a given flow, so related to the traffic from this initiator to a given target. That concludes this video. Thank you.